Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by powering the car to ACC or on so the head unit is active. This is necessary for discovery. Once done, enable Bluetooth on your phone and keep it unlocked so prompts appear immediately. On the Seltos touch screen, go to Setup, choose Bluetooth, then add New Device. This starts the pairing mode on the vehicle. You do this first because the car must broadcast its Bluetooth name before the phone can find and request a secure connection. Now, on your phone, tap the Kia Seltos entry that appears in the Available Devices list. The exact name matches what's shown on the head unit. When a PIN appears on both the phone and car screen, compare the numbers carefully, then accept or confirm on both devices to establish the encrypted link. After pairing, grant permissions for contacts and messages so phone book and call functions work. This step enables hands-free calling and incoming call display. Finish by selecting the Seltos as the active phone and media device in your phone's Bluetooth settings, and verifying the head unit lists your device as connected. Test with a call and a music track to make sure both microphone and audio output work. Adjust in-car volume and source selection if needed. If pairing fails, clear previous pairings from both the head unit and your phone, restart both devices, then repeat the pairing sequence. This usually resolves stale profile conflicts or discovery issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.